Hello guys, today I will show you how to make this little cute sun head. This one, we just need a different color of yarn, scissors, needles, and your hook. First, I will use this nude pink, and then we will make magic ring like this, and then take your hook, pull out the yarn, and make a chain, and then we will make two chain, 1 and 2, and then we will make double crochet inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 double crochet. Oops. We will count the second 2 chain that we made before as a double crochet, so that means we have 10 double crochet around. So I will pull this yarn to make it like this. So next I will make a slip stitch inside our first double crochet. That means the 2 chain that we made before. I will take the second chain and put inside, and then we make a slip stitch. Now I will chain 2, 1, 2, and then we will make double crochet inside the same loop. 1 double crochet, and then in the next we will make here in the second loop we will make double crochet again. 1, and then we will make double crochet again inside the loop, the same loop, and then in the next we will make double crochet again. That means we will do double crochet increase around like this. We'll make double crochet increase around this. Now I already finished the second round, and we have total 20 double crochet around. Like before, we will slip stitch inside the 2 chain that we made before. We will slip stitch here like this. Now we are in the third round already. We will chain 2, 1, 2, and then we will double crochet again. We will double crochet again, 1. In the next round we will make double crochet again, 2, again double crochet, 3, 4. We will make double crochet in each of the loop around here. Now, in the end, I will slip stitch again like before in the second chain that we made before, and then I will take the white yarn, this one, and pull inside the pink. And then I will secure the yarn just like this. I will tie the yarn like this, but it depends on you how you will chain your yarn and secure your yarn. And now I will chain the color of the yarn. Just leave the yarn like this. For me, I didn't cut the yarn. I will make single crochet inside the same loop, 1, 2. You can hide the yarn while you are making your single crochet in this round. 1, 2, 3, 4, now I will make a slip stitch inside the first single crochet that we made before. Now I make like this, and then I will take again the nude pink and crochet inside like this. Just pull the white one, and then I will hide the white yarn inside here. While I'm making a single crochet, I will hide the white yarn, and I will make single crochet again. 1, 2, single crochet, 3, 'slip stitch to the first single crochet that we made before. Now in the final round, we will make, after we make a slip stitch, we will make a single crochet to the next loop. And we will make 2 chain, 1 and 2, and then we will make double crochet inside the same loop. One double crochet, I'm sorry, and then double crochet again, 2 in the same loop, and then double crochet again in the same loop, and then we will make 1 and 2 chain, and then we will make single crochet inside the same loop. After this, we will skip the next loop and we will begin in the second here. We will single crochet here, and then we will chain 2, 1, 2, and then we will make double crochet 1, 2, and then 3 double crochet, and then we will make 1 and 2 chain, and then we will make 1 double crochet again inside the same loop that we made the double crochet, and then we will skip one loop, and then we will work in the second loop, 1 single crochet, then chain 2, and then double crochet 1, 2, and then third double crochet, and then chain 2, and then we will make single crochet again inside the same loop, skip 1 and single crochet. We will repeat the pattern around Now in the end, I will just slip stitch to the next. Purple here and some pink, but this one I already put a kitchen, but I already attached a kitchen, so that's when you can just learn this. Okay, that's all for today. Bye, see you guys and take care.